Hi guys, Olga Soby here, and I have a new July challenge video for you. And this month we're doing a travel in paint kiss. So in the previous video I showed you different ways you can travel the kiss across the canvas. And today I just want to show you this technique in action. If you want to know how to qualify for the challenge and how to enter to have fun with new technique and also get a chance to win $25 Amazon gift certificate, check out the information in the description of the video. I'm going to include everything there. And with that being said, let's get started. So I'm working on 11 by 14 canvas and I want to work with some negative space, but I don't want it to be boring white or black. I want it to be blue today. And for the base layer and for negative space, I'm going to use all the colors that I had in my blue cup. So let's see how that works. Alright guys, so this ended up looking like a flower from a different world, or maybe like a coral under the water, or some very unusual seaweed from under the water. Well, I really like this, the way red goes into blue. I think it's very cool. Alright guys, I'm looking forward to see your July challenge. Don't forget to add the hashtag and read all the instructions in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. This really makes my day. And if you want to see more acrylic pouring techniques, supplies, reviews, and all that good stuff, please subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, happy pouring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.